this is the latest one. We've seen a bunch of brands launch phones centered around big batteries and solid durability, and Vivo has jumped in as well with a new entry in its Y series. Meet the Vivo Y500, also known as the long-lasting double Thanos. But does it really deliver something new in terms of battery and toughness? Let's find out together. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Starting with the core specs, the Vivo Y500 is built around a Dimensity 7300 chip, which is designed for power efficiency. When it comes to everyday use and even mainstream gaming, this processor holds up just fine. But what really sets this phone apart are three main highlights. First is the battery. Inside, you'll find an enormous 8200 mAh Blue Ocean battery, the biggest we've ever seen in a Vivo device. Second, the protection. The Y500 comes with IP68, IP69, and even IP69 Plus waterproof certification. And with its diamond rock structure, the phone's resistance to drops has been heavily improved. That means it's much more forgiving if you use it outdoors or have a habit of dropping your phone. Third is the signal performance. Thanks to its 360-degree through-wall antenna design, it maintains stable connections even in tricky environments. Now let's get into the real-world testing. We wanted to see if the Y500 truly lives up to its endurance monster nickname. For battery tests, we first simulated regular daily use. 30 minutes on Weibo, just 2% battery gone. Half an hour on TikTok, same result. 2%. Clearly, for light day-to-day tasks, that massive 8200 mAh battery barely breaks a sweat. So we cranked things up. We ran online videos non-stop for 6 hours straight. The total drain, only 21%. At this rate, you could easily stream videos all day without worrying. But it's not just about capacity, it's also about longevity. According to official numbers, the Y500's battery can remain stable for 5 years. And it even comes with a 4-year battery warranty. If the health drops below 80% within that time, Vivo will replace it for free. In short, it's not only big, it's built to last. Perfect for anyone anxious about battery life. Next, we stress tested its waterproofing. We placed the Y500 in a glass jar filled with water and left it submerged for a full hour. That's way beyond what you'd face in daily life, like heavy rain or an accidental drop in water. After drying it off, every function, from the touchscreen to the buttons, camera, and speakers, worked perfectly. No signs of water inside. Its IP69 Plus waterproofing definitely checks out. On top of that, the Y500 is reinforced with what Vivo calls a King Kong architecture. With stronger materials and an overall tougher build, the phone can handle bumps, drops, and accidents without compromising reliability. Together, the durability and waterproofing create a complete protection system. But beyond toughness, a reliable signal is just as important. So we ran tests on the second floor of our office, where signals usually weaken. Using speed test software, we measured around 40 milliseconds latency, download speeds of 18 to 19 ms, and upload speeds around 15 to 16 Mbps. That's more than enough for browsing, streaming videos, or even live broadcasts. To double check, we played videos in full 1080p, and they ran smoothly without buffering. So, with its 360-degree antenna setup, the Y500 maintains stable performance in weaker signal environments. Whether you're on a call, watching a stream, or just surfing the web, it gets the job done. So in all three key areas, battery life, durability, and signal, the Vivo Y500 proves itself as the true double Thanos. For delivery workers, couriers, or anyone who spends long hours outside relying on their phone, this device covers all the bases. You get massive battery life, weather resistance, and reliable connectivity, all wrapped into one phone. And that's not all. The Y500 also comes with some nice extras. The design is clean and modern with attractive colors and finish. Its dual speakers are loud and deliver rich, three-dimensional sound. Plus, for professionals like ride-hailing drivers or couriers, there's even a dedicated career mode that automatically optimizes the network for order taking. Together, these little touches make the overall experience even better, covering a wide range of real-life scenarios. So if you're looking for a phone that can stand the test of time, handle rough conditions, and keep you connected without constantly worrying about battery, the Vivo Y500 is absolutely worth checking out. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.